Welcome everybody to another episode of No Fluff, No Passes with the Evil Twin. So on today's episode, we will be talking about the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Look, there's a lot of fans out there that absolutely love the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And not only that, but it's getting a lot of updates, and Samsung is taking care of this device to the fullest. So in this video with the Evil Twin, we're going to talk about 5 reasons why people absolutely love the Galaxy S22 Ultra. We're going to talk about it in this video. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. So welcome to another episode of No Fluff, No Passes with the Evil Twin. Look, there's a huge reason why Samsung fans absolutely love the Galaxy devices and support them no matter what. But you know what? We're going to talk about 5 reasons why people love the Galaxy S22 Ultra. You know what, brother? Brother is in the building. Tell people 5 reasons why people love the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Well, Galaxy series of devices has been a trusted brand that brings upper class premium to the smartphone game. So let's get into it, brother. Let's get into it. Look, my number one reason why the Galaxy S22 Ultra is a fan favorite is the display. Year after year, Samsung has delivered best-in-class viewing experience that's been unmatched. The display on the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the best in the game, and no one would say anything otherwise. When you look at that display is absolutely great. One of the biggest reasons why people buy the top tier devices from Samsung is because of the display, and it's just that good, and that is number one. Yes, I would agree with you on that. The Galaxy S22 Ultra with its huge display is one of the best I ever saw. I mean, that's a great number one. So let's talk about number 2. What's next? Well, coming in at number 2, I want to say the Galaxy S22 Ultra got great cameras. Look, I would say that the Galaxy S22 Ultra is not the best cameras, but I would say that it's consistent when it comes down to great daytime and low light shots. And not only that, but this camera system is for the pro users and the end user. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has Pro Mode for stills and Pro Mode for video, which is great. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has fun features in their camera app, such as single take, the director's view, portrait videos, and a lot more. So the cameras on the Galaxy S22 Ultra is feature packed that would fit both the end user and the pro user. So the cameras is really good, and it's well defined and consistent, and that is number 2. Wow, I would agree with you there, right? Even though they got devices out there that could beat the Galaxy S22 Ultra in image quality, right? But the overall camera system on the Galaxy S22 Ultra is really good and very consistent, which Samsung fans absolutely love. So let's talk about number 3. What's the 3rd reason why Samsung fans absolutely love the Galaxy S22 Ultra? Well, so coming in at number 3 is the design. Oh, man. Look, year after year, Samsung has knocked it out the park when it comes down to the design of the top tier flagships. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is no different. It's a beautiful, I mean, absolutely gorgeous piece of technology. Make no mistake about it. No one will pick up this device and call it cheap. Samsung fans is very satisfied of what Samsung did, combining the Galaxy Note and the S series together for one ultra premium device. This is a brilliant move by Samsung. I mean, absolutely brilliant. And again, no one on the planet will pick up a Galaxy S22 Ultra and call it cheap. It's a high-end solid build device that fits real good in the hand, and it's probably the best designed device that Samsung ever made so far, and that is coming in at number 3. Yes, definitely. I would agree with you that the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the Beyonce of smartphones. Wow, I mean, so far your list has been right on par. That one of the reasons why Samsung fans absolutely love the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So thank you for telling me the third reason. So let's talk about number 4, right? Let's talk about number 4. Well, so coming in at number 4 is the features. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has best-in-class features. I mean, look, that Samsung fans absolutely love the features on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. You know what? Let me talk about some of the features. First is the S Pen and S Pen software. Samsung has perfected the S Pen that work very good on their devices. You pull out the S Pen. Who's your daddy, baby? Who is your daddy? Look, if you want to get work done, you can utilize the S Pen and write down notes and all kinds of things. And it's very precise because it has low latency, which is really good. Not only that, when you pull out the S Pen, you can write off screen, which is really good. Well, when the device is turned off, right? And you have, write the text and all kinds of stuff like that. You can utilize the S Pen to take a photo or start a video, or use the S Pen as a pointer for your PowerPoint presentation on the go. You could go from slide to slide to slide. All you gotta do is press the S Pen, which is really good. It's a lot more I could talk about the S Pen, but let's talk about something else. Samsung DeX, baby. Look, Samsung DeX is the ultimate software that turns your device into a PC-like experience if you connect it wired or wirelessly to a monitor. And this is one of the biggest reasons why I keep a Galaxy device in my pocket. Samsung DeX is the ultimate experience that comes complete, that can do everything, almost everything a real PC can do. 5-year support. 5-year support for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. That means that you could rock this device till the wheels fall off. Yes, you can rock it till the wheels fall off. Even after 5 years, you can still use the device. Look, this could be one of your last devices that you buy and hold for 5 to 6 years. That's amazing. That's a lot. That is a lot. That is number 4. Wow. So that's some good features and long-term support that Samsung is doing for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So you know what? You named 4 awesome reasons why Samsung fans absolutely love the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But you know what? There's one more. There's one more that you have to give to the fans. One more reason, and that's number 5. So what's number 5? Reason why Samsung fans love the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So on my 5th reason why Samsung fans absolutely love the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the trade-in value. Okay, so hear me out. I know this goes against number 4, but hear me out here. Look, Samsung Galaxy flagship devices range from $1,200 all on up to $1,500–$1,600. But if you have a trade-in, if you trade in your previous flagship, you will probably get $800 to $1,000 off on the newer device. Plus, you get extras like free headphones, chargers, cases, and everything else in between. So out of pocket, you probably pay about $350 to maybe $500 for the newer device with your trade-in. So that comes in very cheap. If you want to get the latest and greatest year after year after year, you can get a Galaxy S22 or 23 or 24. All you got to do is trade in your previous device. Think about that. You pay $350 to $400 every year to get the latest and greatest device. That's kind of cheap if you put it that way. It's kind of cheap. So that's coming in at number 5, the good trade-in deals. Wow. All I can say is, wow, I didn't think about it like that. I never thought about it that way. I mean, you are correct about the trade-in deals that Samsung do year after year. I never thought about it like that. So there you have it, right? There you have it. 5 reasons why Samsung fans absolutely love the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Look, I want to thank the Evil Twin for joining me for another episode of No Fluff, No Passes. Now, some of the things he talked about in this video, you could do this on the Galaxy Note 20, the Galaxy S10 20, but as far as the trade-in value, you would get a higher trade-in value on the Galaxy S22 Ultra going into maybe the Galaxy S23 Ultra. You're going to get $800 to $1,000 based off your configuration. This is Eric the Tech Preacher along with the Evil Twin. Leave your comments down below. What's your top 5 reasons why you love the Galaxy S22 Ultra? Leave your comments down below. See you guys on the next video. Peace.